Thread the Carbide factory crimp die into the press until it firmly contacts the shell holder. Then, tighten the lock ring. Remove the stock adjusting screw. Install a completed cartridge in the shell holder and raise the round into the die. While holding down the press lever, screw the adapter body into the die until it stops. At this point, the crimp sleeve is firmly contacting the case mouth. Raise the lever and turn the body clockwise, 1/4 turn to apply a crimp. Raise the cartridge into the die again and snug the knurled lock collar. With the crimp set, simply turn the thimble clockwise until it stops. Fine adjustments should be made by measuring your round and turning the thimble, keeping in mind that the markings represent 1/1000 of an inch.